On today's show, I'll be making a sign for a friend of mine that just opened up her practice. You can also use double-sided tape. I'm going to be cutting out these ends, so I just decided to use screws. Over here I made a fortunate mistake, but if you're going to use letters as your spacers, make sure you put tape over them and don't cut them out like I did. But it actually worked out for me. I had a bit of problems over here because the insert was plastic and for some reason it slipped and it cut into it. So I have to go out and buy new ones now. After rounding it off and making it look like a spine, I then painted it white and I used fast adhesive to glue it onto the black area. And the back I did a French cleat look and I surrounded it all around so you wouldn't see the openings. And gave it a nice two-tone look from the end as you'll see right here, and that came out really nice, I think. She likes it. Thanks for watching, everybody.